Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. So, what is topic today?
Our topic today is ultrasound. So before we talk about what ultrasound is, ultrasounds are high frequency waves. Ultrasounds are able to travel well distances even with the presence of obstacles. Ultrasound is used in industries and with many medical applications. Ultrasound is mostly used to clean on non-reachable parts like spiral cords and weirdly shaped objects, mechanical, electrical engineering, etc. So the thing is placed inside a solution, and ultrasounds are passed through that solution. Because of the high frequency ultrasound, dust, grease, and any other things are detached from the object and then they dissolved in the solution. So that is how ultrasound is used in cleaning. Ultrasound is also used to detect deformities in metal blocks in types like construction, metal, science, engineering, etc. So ultrasounds are allowed to pass through metal block, and detectors are placed for ultrasound to carry the transmitted waves. If there is even a small defect, the smallest of defects, then the wave will bounce back and it will not reach the detector. Thus, making sure that there is a formality. With normal wavelengths like you see every day, like light that you see in your eyes, it will not be possible because it will just go around and just go to the detector. Ultrasounds are also used to make pictures of the heart as it bounce off and make pictures of the heart. This is known as echochromiography. Doctors also use this to do it in other organs. They pass ultrasounds to the body and they make many pictures of gallbladder, kidneys, and other organs to tell the deformities and abnormalities. It is used to detect kidney stones in the gallbladder and other tumors in. It is also used to see the photos in pregnancy, and it is also used to see any other tumors that are going on inside the body. This is known as ultrasonography. That is used, as I said, to see the photos in early pregnancy. Then ultrasound is also used to break down kidney stones inside of life, which are flushed out later in urine.